I am so excited for today's video. So today I finally got new BK Beauty brushes. This is the Essentials brush collection. So there's the face collection and then the eye collection as well. So sorry if you can hear background noise. There are workers here and yeah, like I said, sorry if you can hear that. So, and then another brush that I got, this is not from the Essentials brush collection, is this brush. This is the 208 brush from BK Beauty. It's really nice and small precision brush that I absolutely love. So now let's actually go into the entire brush set. So this first one is the BK Beauty 101 foundation brush. I absolutely love this brush, and I'm also going to have a clip of me using all of these brushes. I actually did this makeup look that I'm wearing right now with all of these brushes. Is amazing. I love this one. It really does a great job of pressing the foundation into the skin. I really like that it doesn't give brush marks. It's really nice. I like it. And I actually wanted to try this brush for underpainting, but I haven't tried it yet. I really do love this brush. This isn't the order of brushes that they that come in, so this next one I'm gonna talk about the brushes that I used in order of when I did my makeup. So this next one is the 103 brush. I love this brush for cream contour or powder bronzer. I love that it's kind of really flat, so you can really get nicely into the cheek area, and it's really nice and fluffy to just really blend the contour or bronzer. Amazing. I really like how soft all of these brushes are. They're amazing. The next one is the BK Beauty 102 brush. I love this brush for if I just want to do like an easy no makeup look. I can just use this to powder everywhere, and then I can just use a smaller brush to powder the under eyes, and I can get a really nice just light powder application with this, and it is amazing. I love this one. And then the BK Beauty 104 brush is amazing. I love this brush for blush, and I also do really like it for highlighter as well. I kind of just pinch the brush a little bit, or sometimes I do use the tip of the brush and just apply it right here, the highlighter on the nose, and it is so good. And I do also use this to apply blush as well. It's perfect for like nice pop of color right there. Okay, now let's talk about the eye brushes. So this first brush is the 201 brush. I really like this one for just blending shadow in the crease. It's really nice. I absolutely love it. This is probably next to the Nikki Rose and the Angie Hot and Flashy one. This is really good. Is the 202 brush. This one is similar to this one, but it's more tapered. I really do love this brush as well. I like more flat brushes when applying shadows on the outer corner, but after using this brush, I love using makeup brushes like this for the outer corner now after using this brush, because I can just really get in there and apply shadow to deepen up the outer crease and just to define the eye. It's amazing. This one is the 204 brush. I really love this one for smoking out the lower lash line, even smoking out eyeliner on the top lash line as well. And in the clip, I actually used it to contour my lips. It's perfect for that. I really do like to use that as well. I haven't tried it to contour the nose yet. I might try it to contour the nose, because I think it'll be really nice just to kind of like precision contour the nose. We'll see. Like I said, I haven't tried it like that yet. Okay, this next one is the 203 brush that I used to apply a shimmer shadow on the lid. So nice. I really do love this brush just to apply shadow on the lid, and I do sometimes use this one on the entire eyelid and up into the crease just for an all over type of a look. Amazing for that as well. And then this brush, like I said, I mentioned this one earlier. This is the 208 brush. I fell in love with this brush. This brush is probably one of my favorites out of this whole, all of these brushes. It's so nice and precise, so nice and tiny that I can really get a nice, sharp, tiny wing, and I can just precisely go on the lash line with this brush as well, just to define the lash line, and it is amazing. I love this brush. I'm so glad I got a tiny brush because I was looking for a tiny brush, and when I saw this, I was like, yes, I want to try it, and it is amazing. Okay, the last brush that I want to talk about is the 205 brush. I really like to use it for brow bone highlight. I do sometimes kind of like angle it like this, and then just place like a highlight shade in the inner corner. So that was all of the new BK Beauty brushes that I got. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!